Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you this really cute press-on nail set. It's definitely fall appropriate. I think it came out so freaking cute. It's actually inspired by this picture that I saw on Pinterest, and apparently this was a set that Khloe Kardashian did, minus the accent nail. And it's actually my first time trying like the sugaring method, I believe it's called, and I think this set came out super cute. Like I said, fall appropriate, total PSL vibes. Give this video a like if you guys are into your pumpkin spice lattes already. So we're gonna start this nail set with some Makartt ballerina full cover nails. I have already prepped them, so I buffed them, and I also took a file and just filed the tops of the nail so it can get rid of that little like tab. And we are going to be going in with some base coat and just applying that to all the nails so the gel can adhere. Alright guys, so I wanted to pop on here to just say a really big thank you because I finally surpassed 1,500 subscribers. Yay! And my nail haul video already has a little bit over 1,000 views, so I just want to say thank you so much guys, and I really do plan on doing a small giveaway, so please stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment. So right here I'm going to be taking the Beetles Gel Polish in 566. It is such a pretty nude. It's one of my favorites. And I'm sorry if you guys are hearing noises. It's because I'm feeding my son right now. But anyways, I'm just going to be applying one thin coat of that. And I'm going to be putting that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And I am going to also be doing 2 coats of that. And again, curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so for the French tip, I'm actually going to be using these little stickers that I got off of AliExpress. They are supposed to make applying the French tip more easier, especially if you are not artistically inclined like myself. So I'm just taking some tweezers and I'm just applying the sticker on the nail. And I want to say a huge thank you to Brezyy Nails because she's the one that got me into these nail stickers because I saw them in her videos, especially when she would do like the French tip videos, and I was obsessed because these stickers are more like the deep like smile line stickers. So yeah, thank you so much girl. I finally got them, and so I'm just applying them. One tip is that I would definitely make sure to press on them like really hard so that way the gel doesn't like kind of accumulate underneath the nail. I was having a bit of a hard time with the stickers, but I do have to practice. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this Beetles polish in 516, a super cute chocolate color. Oh my god, I die. It's so freaking pretty and it's super pigmented. This is just one coat and I totally get hot chocolate vibes. And well, for me, my favorite hot chocolate is abuelita hot chocolate because obviously I'm Mexican, you know. If you're Latino or Hispanic, you know that the best hot chocolate is abuelita, okay? Or Ibarra chocolate, but I ain't into Miss Swiss over here. I'm into abuelita. But anyways, it's super pigmented as you guys can see, and so I'm just going to be applying one coat and I'm going to be curing that in my lamp for 60 seconds.
For all time's sake.
So I'm just going to take a fine detail brush and I'm just going to crispen up that line a little bit. Like I said, I was having a little bit of a hard time with the stickers. I think Brezyy Nails suggested to do one coat, cure that in the lamp, and then do another coat, and then before you cure it, you take it off. But that wasn't really working out that much. Like I said, I think it was because I wasn't pressing that hard on the side of the nails. And then also on some of the nails I just went in with some acetone, no not acetone, with some alcohol just to clean up the lines as well. And like I said, it's okay if you don't get it the first time, just as long as you practice, you should be fine. And yeah, so I just cleaned up the smile line for these nails.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
So I totally forgot to hit record. So I will be leaving the number on the screen for you guys. So for the sugaring method, I'm going to use my bling gel, some top coat, and some glitter that I got at Dollar Tree. So I am going to be applying my bling gel on all of the nail. I think this is going to help really stick on the glitter besides just using top coat, because that's the only thing. It's not encapsulated or anything, so I really don't want to have a glittery mess all over, my desk or like all over my house. So I think applying the bling gel really helps, and because it leaves a tacky layer, that's why we're going to put the top coat, the no wipe top coat on top, so that way there's no stickiness. And I am just going to be taking my gold glitter and I'm just going to be shaking that on top of the nail, making sure to really get the whole nail basically encapsulated with that gold glitter. And I think it comes out super cute. I really love it, and I'm really planning on doing a another set with just this method because it came out so pretty. And so I cured that in my lamp for 60 seconds, and I just took a little brush and just make sure to dust off any excess glitter. Like I said, that's I don't want to end up having, glitter bomb all over my desk or anything. So just dust off your nails, and basically the glitter should be able to adhere really good. And this is how the set looks like. You can go ahead and leave it glossy. It looks really cute, but your girl is gonna put some matte top coat because I love how it looks. So I'm just taking the YouCheer matte top coat. You guys know that is my jam. It's my favorite. I love how it leaves the nails looking so velvety matte. And I'm going to be applying one coat of that on all the nails besides the sugar nail. And I'm going to be putting that in my lamp for 60 seconds. So I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of the giveaway that I'm planning on doing. So I already ordered the things. I am just waiting for my AliExpress package to come, because one of the prizes is going to be the Gel X dupe nails from AliExpress. Because if you guys know, I love the soft gel extensions. That's my preferred method of applying nail extensions. Yes, Julian. Yes, I know. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you guys can be entered into the giveaway. And like I said, I'm planning on doing a small video on it beforehand, so be on the lookout for that. So for the thumbnail, there was a bit of a issue there. I decided to do a gold outline on that nail because I don't think that my nail lamp cured it properly. It was kind of crinkly and a little bit uncured. I actually had technical difficulties before I started the set because my lamp that I usually use just gave up on me. So I had to improvise and use a smaller UV lamp that I had. So yeah, I just decided to do that gold outline instead of starting over because I am pressed for time. Usually I will do a run through of the set that I'm planning on doing, and then on the second hand I will usually record that part, but I just decided to wing it and just record from the beginning. And yeah, sometimes you're gonna have imperfections, little mistakes, and that's okay. So I just fixed it by putting a gold outline, and I actually really liked how it came out. And if I were to do this design again, I probably would do that with all the nails, because I think it also ties in really well with that glitter accent nail that I did. So to complete the nail, I am just taking the no wipe top coat and a detail brush, and I am just applying that where I applied the gold outline. That way there is no sticky dispersion layer. And I'm going to cure that in my lamp, and that is the completed set. It came out super cute. These like chocolate French tip nails I think are super fall appropriate. I never thought I would be into it, but like I said, I saw that picture on Pinterest and I just loved how it looks. So if you guys want to have Khloe Kardashian nails on a budget, here you go. Beetles Gel Polish is super affordable. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll make sure to link everything down below. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.